Hey guys, so today is Thursday and I'm trying something different. I'm going to actually record a time lapse of me scarifying my lawn, and we'll see what happens. This time is going to be my last pass. I'm going to do 2 passes perpendicular without bagging everything up first, because I already got the majority of stuff out. I don't expect very much to come up again, and if it does, I don't care. I'll bag it up after I'm done. The first thing I gotta do is switch out the dethatching drum and put in the scarifying blades. Alright, so that was the detaching, or not that's the scarifying with 2 passes, and then I mowed it all up. Like I said before, I wasn't expecting much to come out, but a lot more came out than I expected. And I didn't really have any room to put it, so that's where it's at right now, in a kiddie pool, all the way full to the top. So the next step is going to be seeding and putting a light top dressing of topsoil on top and some fertilizer. And I'll be done for now until September. And I'll just be watering and cutting, and in September the aerating is gonna happen. I tried to get the lawn company to come earlier, but they don't do it until September. So when that happens, I'll do another top dressing, but that time is going to be with humus plus manure. So something more organic, something else different from the topsoil to get some more nutrients into the soil. But that's all I'm able to do right now for on my lunch break. And so later this evening, I'll do the seeding and put the topsoil down. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope the results will be good. You can see the lawn now. Maybe I'll get you a little bit closer so you can see what I was talking about what scarifying does. But you can totally see all of the soil now. You can even see some of the seed that I had put down before, the Scott's dense shade mix, which is a tall fescue blend, very much like the Black Beauty Ultra that has bluegrass and other stuff in it. But check it out, the lawn's all opened up completely now. You can kind of sort of see where there were some slits cut in it, but from me walking on top of it after I mowed, most of those slits are kind of gone probably now. But that's okay, because the topsoil is gonna serve to cover the seed. But now I know for sure that in most of this lawn, there's a couple spots still that this area especially is a little bit low, so the Scarifier wasn't able to hit it, and I'm gonna have to level that out a little bit before I put some seed down, so that there's some soil there for the seed to get planted into. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.